Let's start parking with this product, which is created by me. It's an anniversary gift, so I stick with the red color tissue paper, which is very thin tissue paper, and I love this color because I feel it is very close to my heart. So I generally use these color, red color and the golden color combination, but this time I stick with red color. And why I'm sharing this video in a real time, because I see actually I see very good reels in Instagram, and they're showing very pretty products and packing videos, but it takes too much time to shoot and editing part and packing all the products and send it to client. It has all efforts, all, I mean, like, it's effort only, not an easy task. So I don't know why I keep it aside this product and started looking for my cotton thread, and then I realized, okay, it's just besides me. And after that I realized, okay, where is my scissor? Okay, then I find it my scissor and cut it my thread, but I from inside I feel it's not working properly, so a little frustrated at this time. Then I don't know, I just remove all that thread and again I tried not. Then it is like, it's very struggling point for any artist. Every artist can relate this struggle, and don't just go blindly on the reels that it is very easy task and it is just a 2 or 1 minute show. It is not like that. I just want to showcase all my product in a real time, but every product takes time. Every handmade product takes time. Even making and packing and shipping process takes time. Okay, thank